Welcome to today's video on immunology. Immunology is the branch of science that focuses on the study of the immune system, which is the body's defense mechanism against infections and diseases. The immune system plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy by identifying and eliminating harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. One of the key components of the immune system are white blood cells, also known as leukocytes. There are different types of white blood cells, each with its own unique function. For example, some white blood cells called neutrophils are responsible for engulfing and killing bacteria, while others, like lymphocytes, help in recognizing and destroying infected cells, or producing antibodies to fight against specific pathogens. The immune system also has a memory. Once the body encounters a pathogen for the first time, specialized cells called memory cells are created. These memory cells remember the pathogen, allowing the immune system to respond faster and more efficiently if the same pathogen enters the body again in the future. This is the principle behind vaccinations, introducing a harmless form of a pathogen to stimulate the creation of memory cells so that the immune system can quickly mount a defense when a real infection occurs. Sometimes, however, the immune system can become dysfunctional and either overreact or fail to respond appropriately. This can lead to autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly targets the body's own cells and tissues, or immunodeficiency disorders, where the immune system is weakened and unable to protect the body effectively. Examples of autoimmune diseases include rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis, while immunodeficiency disorders can be congenital, inherited, or acquired, such as HIV/AIDS. To maintain a healthy immune system, it is important to live a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress can all contribute to a strong immune system. Additionally, practicing good hygiene, such as washing hands frequently and getting vaccinated, can help prevent infections. In conclusion, immunology is a fascinating field of study that explores the amazing complexities of the immune system. Understanding how our immune system works can help us take better care of our health and appreciate the intricate defense mechanisms that protect us every day. Thank you for watching this video on immunology. Stay tuned for more fascinating topics in the world of science and medicine.